In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete account on Bluehost. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to delete our account on Bluehost, and if we want to do that, simply log into your Bluehost control panel by clicking at this advanced button on the left panel. That will log you into the advanced or the control panel. Then, of course, just scroll down into this emails, click on emails account, and as you can see here, you'll find your account. You can actually manage it. Click on manage. And as you can see from here, you don't have any option, so you can delete your account. So simply, the only option that if you want to delete your account is by contacting the Bluehost support. So simply, you can go and click on this question mark at the top right corner. Then that will take you to the support directly. Here, you can simply go and look for delete account. As you can see, click on search. And if you find what you want here, you can simply just go and follow the instructions of it. If you don't, you can actually just go and chat with them simply and ask them that you want to delete your account and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.